Hey, what's up everybody? My name's David Verde. I'm a cinematographer and FAA certified drone operator with DV Entertainment. We're a film and production company based in the beautiful Shenandoah Valley, and today I'm in downtown historic Staunton, taking advantage of the training that we do with our aerial systems, and we thought we would show you some cool history from the sky. We got clearance from the FAA to fly in this airspace, so we're all set there, and we went ahead and set up our first launch area that you can see here, and I have my nifty little drone operator vest and looking official. Well, that's it. So we're going to launch our drone up in the sky, and we're going to give you a tour of the Historic Wharf area and Sears Hill in beautiful Staunton, Virginia. Let's go. Located along the still active rail line, you'll find the Historic Wharf area in downtown Staunton, Virginia. Likely gaining its namesake from the collection of now exquisitely preserved warehouses and commercial buildings, the wharf is a standing reminder of the importance of the railway and the growth of Staunton and many cities like it in the second half of the 19th century. Before being replaced with brick and stone structures, the wharf's warehouses and places of trade were mostly made of wood. Two additional landmarks found among the architecture in the wharf is the bungalow-style C&O train station built in 1902, designed by architect Thomas Jasper Collins. The train station once served as the passenger and freight terminal before later housing restaurants and banquet halls. Adjacent to the train station sits the American Hotel. This Greek Revival hotel was built by the railroad in 1855. Serving as a major railway break between Washington and Cincinnati, the American Hotel was a convenient location for passengers seeking food and rest. On the eastern edge of the Historical Wharf District, one building rises prominently above all others. Built in 1892, the White Star Mills building stands along the rightfully named Mill Street. White Star Mills was once the Shenandoah Valley's largest flour mill. It operated successfully until 1963, when the Washington Milling Company purchased the company for its branding rights, ending the mill's 71 years of operation. Connecting downtown and the neighborhood of Sears Hill above, the Iron Sears Hill footbridge offers a unique vantage point over the Wharf District. Although the iron bridge dates back to 1905, wooden pedestrian bridges built by the C&O Railway date back to 1888. The bridge once served as an important connector for the residents of the Sears Hill neighborhood to the historical downtown. After nearly 100 years of service, the Sears Hill Bridge was in disrepair and was condemned due to the costly price tag of rehabilitating it for safe use. The local community wasn't satisfied with that decision, and with the support of local residents, businesses, and historical preservation groups, funds were raised to save the bridge and put it back into safe, proud service over the railway, connecting once again downtown and Sears Hill, becoming a popular stop for tourists and locals alike. High above the wharf, you'll find the 1.5-story Sears House. Built in 1860, the private home is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. One of its most prominent owners was educator Barnes Sears, who lived in the home from 1867 until 1880. During the Reconstruction era, Sears chose Staunton for its proximity to the railroad, where he served as general agent of the Peabody Education Fund, a multi-million-dollar fund used for the establishment and growth of public schools for African Americans and poor white Southerners. Barnes Sears lived in the Sears House until just before his death in 1880. Despite the uncertain fate during the early 20th century, the Historic Wharf District and the historical home atop Sears Hill stands today as a reminder of the important role the railroad played in establishing Staunton's place in Virginian and American history.
I hope you
liked this video. It was a lot of fun doing the research and learning some history about the Wharf District and Sears Hill and Staunton. There was a lot of things that we had to cut out, so if you would like to read our original script with all the sources cited where we found all this information from, you can download and read that from our website, which I'll put a link for it below. I'm probably going to do a few more of these videos before the end of spring, so if you have any suggestions of places I should feature, leave a comment down below. In the meantime, I'd love for you to visit our website, dventertainment.com. You can check out some of our past work, as well as some of our TV and film projects, like our outdoor adventure travel series AWOL, that's about to release on Prime Video, YouTube, and Facebook Watch, and an upcoming documentary film that we're working on that we'll have some more details for soon. Until then, we'll see you next time.